Okay, just a very quick clip to show you how I scrape my painting. For the last 3 hours or so I've had this painting sitting on my painting table on top of my silicone mats, and I've got a very wet towel down there now, but it was dry when I started, old towel, and onto that I've put my painting and then some paper towel pieces or hand towel pieces, and I have been coming in and out every half hour or so and just squirting water over it to soften the paint so I can scrape it. And very quickly I'll show you how I scrape the paint. I won't show you the whole process, but I'll show you what I do. So it just scrapes off like this. Take the rest of it back. I have scraped several paintings over the last few weeks because I'm not selling them and I just can't keep so many of them, plus the fact of course that I am having to pay out money to buy new canvases all the time, and I can just scrape the paint off the ones I've done and recycle them. So I have to say that of the paintings that I have scraped in the last few weeks, I have really noticed the difference between those that have had Floetrol added to the paint and those that have had PVA glue. And hands down, the ones with PVA glue added have been so much easier to scrape. The Floetrol I've found has needed more softening and has been just a little bit more difficult to remove from the canvas. So that's quick and easy how I do that. And then to finish off, I get a piece of my copier paper cover, which of course has got the plastic coating on it, just so that I can catch the bits on it rather than trying to pick them up off my towel or my mats. And I just lean it slightly and scrape the sides. And that's how I do the job. Go round and do it all that way. And then I just get one of my cloths and wipe it off thoroughly. If I need to, I get a small green pot scrub to rub over any surfaces that are harder to remove. I find I have to do that a lot more, of course, with the paint that's had Floetrol added to it. As I said again, the PVA glue seems to remove very easily, which is great and means I will be far more tempted to use that in the future with my paints rather than using the Floetrol. So there we are. I will leave it at that, and yes, hope this gives you some helpful information on scraping your paintings.